Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and come here, Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be doing a DIY video, and I'm so sorry you guys, I haven't filmed a DIY in a very long time. I used to base my channel around DIY videos, but I do a lot of different videos on my channel, and today I wanted to show y'all a Halloween DIY cape. I think this will be one of the easiest DIY videos I've filmed for sure because it doesn't take long at all. It's super easy. Anybody can do it. I think the only challenge with this video is going to be finding the correct material as far as like the actual cape goes. So you kind of just have to research, you'll have to look for that a little bit harder than anything else. But I'm gonna quit rambling and we're gonna go ahead and get started. This will be probably one of the two Halloween videos that I'm going to do. I'm probably not gonna have time to do a lot, so yeah, this is one of them. So for this video, you are going to need a pillowcase. And what's different about this one is it is super fancy and beautiful, and it's very big. I'm pretty sure it is a king size pillowcase. So it kind of just depends on your measurements. So you could do a regular pillowcase, but it may not work the exact same way. It depends on your frame. But this one, just make sure when you get it that it wraps all the way around pretty much like here at the top. And I got so lucky at Goodwill. I found this pillowcase for $1.99 and it is just so beautiful. The back is not so beautiful, but this material is very royal looking, I think. It has a few snags on it, but I can work with it. It's not anything that's too noticeable. And also for this video, you will need some ribbon. You won't need a lot of ribbon, just enough to tie it to be a cape. Like I said, it just depends on your measurements. Yes, these are the only materials you will need. And also you'll need a sewing machine or fabric glue or a hot glue gun. So you can glue it or sew it. I mean, this is a very versatile project, which is really cool about this DIY. So I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do mine.